Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. Today's video is an unboxing of the most recent Sephora Play Luxe box. It retails for $25. It's supposed to be an $83 value, and I'm very curious about that. If I can do the math meaningfully, I will, so it's in here. I haven't opened it yet. It is not one of the ones that you get with the monthly subscription. What they do from time to time is for between, I think, $10 and $25, you can get kind of a one-off play box. And so this is, it's wrapped in purple plastic, and it's supposed to be this kind of puffy silver bag. Actually, I like this. I've heard that the bag is like really cheaply made, but I actually like this. Oh, and it's nice on the inside too. I like this. So it comes with this card deck, and I will dig in and then read the card. So the first thing is this. This is the Tacha, the water cream, and there's a card for each of these. So this says, luxurious anti-aging water cream that hydrates skin, controls oil, and visibly tightens pores with a burst of powerful Japanese botanicals. Plus it has a touch of gold that illuminates the skin. Elegant and understated, just like the packaging. I haven't used this before. Oh wow, this is really small. So this is the box, and this is the whole bottom part is just space. And so there's this, and it is, how big is it? It is 5 mils. So I'll do the math around it. And I've never used this before. Don't really see any kind of, I don't see anything here in terms of gold, but I wouldn't want anything that strong. It smells nice. It smells kind of spa-like, and I haven't used a lot of Tacha. I've used the mist mostly on planes, but this is nice. Just curious about the price breakdown of everything. Okay, back in the bag. This is Tata Harper Rejuvenating Serum. I have used this and I like it. And here's the card about that. And this is 10 mils. Rich concentrated formula that infuses skin with hyaluronic acid, antioxidants, and vitamins for just back from a spa retreat radiance. Buckbean extract visibly firms skin, while Spanish lavender extract diminishes the look of wrinkles. This is nice. I have used this before. I like it. It's a great size, and I definitely will enjoy that. So I'm liking this so far. Next is this. This is a Christophe Robin mask. And here's the card for this. This is 50 mils. You don't need a reason to have red carpet ready hair. This intensive, oh, it's a hair mask. This intensive repairing mask boosts strands radiance with a regenerative pure prickly pear seed oil and pigment reviving inula extract, leaving hair smoother, softer, and shinier from root to tip. What does that smell like? It's not terrible, but it reminds me of something that I'm not fond of, but I'll use it. That's so interesting. I wonder what that is that I'm smelling. So I'll give this a shot, and glad that it's good for color treated hair. I color my hair to wash the gray out of my hair, but it's pretty much this color. All right, back in here, Tom Ford Black Orchid. This feels like a roller ball. This is 3 mils, 0.01 fluid ounces, so it's that. I feel like I may have smelled this before, and I feel like it's very kind of wintry, but we'll see. And here's a little card. Who says the statement piece has to be visible? This modern yet timeless warm floral scent opens with a blend of sandalwood and incense before unfolding into a sophisticated black orchid aroma. I don't know what black orchids smell like. It's nice. It's definitely not something that I would wear in spring or summer, but I could see maybe wearing this in the fall. I'll leave it on and kind of see how it moves on me during the day. So I like that. Next is a Givenchy Universal Tint Color Enhancing Lipstick. That's interesting. So here's the card. And moisturizing high shine lipstick that uses rare black rose oil to transform lips into a unique, enhanced version of your own color, ranging from sheer berry to deep plum. Consider it the little black dress of lipsticks. Classic, sexy, and universally flattering. Like a mood lipstick, maybe? I'm not going to put it on. This is what I'm wearing. Is pretty dark, and I don't know that I want to take that off, but just swatch this. So it is kind of like a gray, dark gray, and I'll put it on. So it's kind of becoming this pink kind of color. I definitely saw that changing. I wonder, it just seems like a mood lipstick. It's fine. I'll give it a shot. I don't imagine that I never would have bought this full size. So it's good to have a sample of something like this. It's an interesting product, and I'll give it a go once I've taken off my lipstick. And last, oh, I like this. This is the Hourglass Mascara, and I have one of these already. So this is a sample size of this. This is the card. This is a triple thread of mascara. Its blacker than black formula delivers endless volume, length, and lift with its unique asymmetrical 4D amplifier brush that coats every lash with striking pigment. I mean, this is fine. It's not the best mascara I've ever used. It's not the worst, and I'm enjoying having samples. These are easy to travel with and just nice to try different mascaras. So I like this. I will do the math and kind of have everything up on the screen, and this won't put me off of ordering them before. I have heard mixed reviews about it, and I like the bag. It's nice. It has a nice inside. I really don't have any problem with the bag, and I definitely will use this. So yeah, let me know if you picked this up, if you've picked up any other Sephora Play boxes that are not subscription, or if you do the subscription, and let me know your thoughts. And thank you so much for watching. A lot to do in the world and a lot to do on YouTube, and it means a lot that you took some time to spend with me today. Take care, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye.